Shakespeare wrote this sonnet, number 116, to tell us that love will only last between two people when there is the meeting of like minds. I think that he wrote this sonnet especially for Sharon and Matthew. I now read it to you. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which wants in adulteration time, or bends with the remover to renew. Oh no. It is an ever-fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bar, his worth's unknown, although his heights are taken. Love is not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending fickle compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of time. If this be error, and upon me proved, I never rich, nor no man